Hello everyone. So similar to the last question, this is the next question: how we can set the priority for TestNG methods without using the priority attribute in the TestNG. So just for interview point of view, normally in the real-time scenarios, we mostly use the priority attribute at the TestNG method load, right? So if I want to run few TestNG methods on some priority, I want to change the priority, then I can use this priority attribute. Okay, so whatever value you will give here, as per the lowest priority, it will run first. Okay, so all the TestNG methods without any priority will be considered at priority equal to 0. That is the by default priority. Okay, so here we are not using any condition to set this priority, but in case if you want to set this priority depending upon some condition, or if there is a requirement that you want to run some TestNG methods from some particular module first and then other test should run, then you can get the test from that module or group, and then you can set the priority equals to, let's say, minus some negative priority for that TestNG methods. So by using the IAnnotationTransformer we can achieve this. So I have already divided these 5 TestNG methods into different groups, and if I want to use the IAnnotationTransformer, we need to create one listeners class, right? So this is my class, my TestNG listener. So this is the method comes from the IAnnotationTransformer, where we can implement our own logic. So we are implementing this method from this IAnnotationTransformer, and this is the logic we have used for skipping the TestNG methods. So first is to run payment test on priority. So I will get the payment test, whatever TestNG methods belongs to payment module, okay, belongs to the payment group. Once I get it, whatever the methods comes under this group, I will set the priority equals to negative, okay, -1. So all the TestNG methods from this payment module or payment group will run first, right? And all will have the -1, so it will run as per the alphabetical or ASCII order. So simple logic here we can use is string variable is equal to payment. So whatever module you want to run first. So I have hard coded this value, but best practice is to read this value from the config.properties file. Then get the group name, and using the simple for loop you will scan the group. If group is equals to the payment, right, we need to set the priority. So here we can use this set priority method and set the negative value, because all the TestNG methods by default have 0 value. So anyhow we need to set the negative value. Another way is if you want to set the priority depending upon the TestNG method name. Okay, so we just need to get the TestNG method name by using this test method dot get a name. So this will return the TestNG method name, okay, whatever name we have provided here. So then you can use the switch case statement or if else conditions as well. So if TestNG method name is test3, then set priority equal to 1, right? If it is test2, then priority equal to 2, and if it is test1, then set priority equal to 3, and default case will be the 0. So this is how we can set the priority based upon the test name as well. So this will be important for interview point of view if someone is interested to check like how we can set the priority without using the priority attribute. Okay, so everyone always know this, how we can set the priority using the priority attribute, but sometimes we forget and we could not answer it in the interviews. So we just need to use this IAnnotationTransformer and implement this transform method from it.